Why do you keep putting things off? Even when you actually care about it? You want to do it. You've thought about it all day. But you still don't start. If that sounds familiar, this could be ADHD. This isn't about laziness. It's about how your brain handles motivation. People think motivation comes first. But for ADHD, action often comes first. And if your brain doesn't feel enough stimulation, it won't let you begin. Do you struggle with this too? That's why you can care about something deeply and still avoid it. Try this, lower the pressure. Don't tell yourself you have to finish it. Just tell yourself to start for 2 minutes. That removes the resistance. You're not trying to be perfect. You're just trying to begin. Once you start, your brain often catches up. If this helped you understand your brain, follow for more ADHD-friendly strategies. This is based on personal experience and general ADHD information, not medical advice.